Learn how to align text. Aligning text just means which side of the page the text or words appears. So this is the left side of the page. Over here is the right side, and this is the center. So if we wanted something to appear in the center, we would want to center align it. Now let me show you how this is done. So here is our assignment below. And the first thing that we need to do, it says type your first and last name in the space below and right align it. So I'm going to put my cursor right here and I am going to type my name. Now, in order to right align it, I need to highlight my text and I am going to go right here where it says align and I am going to click on that little arrow. And I'm going to get my three choices. Now, if you hover over it, it will tell you if it's left align, center, or right align. Our directions told me to right align it. So I am going to click on right align. And do you see how it moved it over to the right side of the page? So let's take a look at number 2. It says center align the text below. So I am going to scroll so I can see the whole thing. Then I am going to highlight it or select it. And then I am going to center align it. So to center align, again, we come up over here to our shortcut. I click on the arrow and I am going to choose the one that says center align. And if you look closely at our button choices too, kind of has the lines either going to the left, to the right, or center. So I'm going to choose center align because that's what the direction said. And when I click it, it moves everything to the center of the page. Now let's look at number 3. It says to center just the title of the story below. So the word title is in red, so that gives me a clue that I want to just select what is red down here. And here's the title. So again, to center align, I highlight or select my text. I come up over here, I choose center align, and it puts it right into the center. Let's look at number 4. Ooh, this one's tricky. Look at the poem below. Center the first line, left align the second, right align the third, and left align line 4. All right, so let's take these one at a time. The first line, which is red, I need to select and center it. Oops, having some trouble. So I come over here and I choose center align. See how it moved it into the center? Now I need to left align the second one. So I selected it. I'm going to come over here. I am going to choose the left align. It moves it there. I'm going to right align line 3. So I select, I choose the right, and then I want to left align line 4. So I highlight it, back up, and left align. Let's check out number 5. It says center the title below. So I'm just going to select what is in purple because that is the title. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to choose the center button. Now, I want to show you what's right over here, all the way on the right, and that says justify. If you accidentally select justify, take a look at what happens. All right, it doesn't do anything. So you have to make sure that you're selecting the one that's truly center aligned. Even though this one might look like it, we want to make sure that we're selecting the one that says center. And when I select it, it moves it to the center. And then finally, number 6, right align the author's name below. So the author's name happens to be in green. So I am going to select it, come up here to my align section, and I am going to right align. Now, friends, the important thing to remember is where we find this align shortcut, and that is right up here. In fact, if we hover over the other choices, we want to make sure that we find the one that says Align right there. You can also, if you get stuck, go over to Format, Text, Align and Indent. Okay, and here we have our choices here. Again, that's Format, Align, Indent, and our choices. Or we have our shortcut button right here. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Go ahead and open your assignment and try this on your own.